Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Q&A option is not working on TikTok. So even if you have a creator button, so a lot of you basically have a creator button on your account tab, and basically if you have creator button and you have do not have the ability to basically add Q&A, is because basically right now TikTok is testing this feature on following countries: so United Arab Emirates, Germany, Australia, and Canada. So if you have creator button and you don't have this ability, probably you do not live in these countries. And also the second failure that may you have is that if you live in these countries but you don't have 10k followers, also you cannot add a Q&A feature. So you must have 10k followers and live in United Arab Emirates, Germany, Australia, or Canada, and then you can add this feature. All right, so that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care.